So I'm going to be giving a tip on how you can record slow motion videos on the iPhone SE 3 and 13 mini. Now, if you've never done this before, it's really cool. And basically when you shoot a slow motion video on your iPhone, it's actually playing back the video at a slower frame rate, creating the illusion that your video is moving more slowly than in real life. Now, there's actually a setting you can also change in your camera settings to go from 120 to 240 on the frames per second. I would recommend switching that up immediately. Okay, anyways, after you do that, and you have it on the highest quality setting, you just go into your camera app and scroll over to where it says slow motion. Now I'm actually just going to record the screen here of my 13 mini, then we're going to play it back to just see what it looks like. You can see I've got that nice Yoshi wallpaper going on. Now that's a minimal Yoshi wallpaper. I think it just looks really cool. Okay, that's probably enough, and now I'm going to play it back for you guys so you can see how cool it is to just record some slow-mo videos on your iPhone. All right, check it out. It's going like real slow right there. Okay, anyways, just a little tip here, really any iPhone you're currently using, slow motion videos are really fun to shoot. Just make sure to switch it up to 240 on the frames per second so you get that higher quality. Okay guys, thanks for watching this one, and we'll see y'all in the next video.